Greetings once again from Playa Dorada in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. And this is the third beach adventure from here. And I am soaking wet from the rain, but also I went in for a swim here and then I saw there are nice waves. And then I thought, okay, there's gonna be another episode. Uh, so yes, I'm still at Puerto Plata. I have walked all the way from that side of the bay up until here for around 8 minutes. And after this, I will need to head back to Puerto Plata as the time is approaching for the departure of my ship. Now it is 12:45 p.m. The ship, I need to be on board at 3:30 p.m. And it is now it is 25 degrees Celsius, but it has been raining 2 times already, and hopefully it will be the last. I see some storm on that side, but so far here it is fine. And yes, I have around 6 kilometers now back to the port, and we'll try to explore along the way. But on the way back, I won't be going through the ghetto, as I already tried my luck once. And yes, Dominican Republic is a Caribbean state, the second largest Caribbean state by population. The largest one is Haiti, which, funny enough, they share the same island, Haiti and Dominican Republic. There is a land border between those two countries. And Cuba being the third largest by population, based on the UN estimation, as the countries have their own. So this is how the beach looks like. There are lots of tourists from the cruise ships, I think, that came in the tour here. I think I'm the only one that walked all the way here. I should get a medal for that. And on this part of the beach there are larger waves compared to the other side that I have seen. As Puerto Plata is also known for kite and windsurfing, apparently. But to be fair, I'm not so satisfied with Puerto Plata as a beach destination. This is the best beach, and hopefully it looks a bit better during the sunny day, but I am not impressed. Most of the beaches I visited have had plastic bottles, garbage, and the water is not clear compared to Miami, which is a huge city. There the water was super clean and turquoise. But yeah, maybe I need to come back on a sunny day and judge it once again, the beaches. But I feel like on the toes now I have some plastic material coming from the sea. Yes, what else? Tomorrow is gonna be, so today is 4th of January 2025, and tomorrow we're gonna be on the sea again. So looking forward to eat a lot on the ship. There are both like there is a buffet restaurant, a buffet where you can eat anything what you like, how much you like, and there are also restaurants a la carte that you can go to, that you can order appetizer, entree, and a dessert for free, obviously. It only costs if you want alcohol and some special stuff that's off the menu, but otherwise everything is complimentary, most of the things. And yes, I'm looking forward now to go back to the ship because I'm hungry. But let's now dive in. Yes, now the waves seem to have stopped. There were a lot more earlier when I was not filming, obviously. Whew. Yes, Playa Dorada, ladies and gentlemen, in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Country number 62 for me. Soon I'm gonna be having 2 more countries checked in, so we're gonna wrap up the cruise with 64 countries in total. And those are UN recognized countries. I don't count the territories. I have been to many other territories, like Poland, for example, and Puerto Rico I'm going to go also, but that's part of the US. and I have been to something more, I think. But yeah, thank you so much then for watching this episode with me from Playa Dorada in Puerto Plata, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.